Click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.
Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to place windows into our project. It follows the same principles as the door. So we are going to go through the same process and the principles remains the same. So let's go to the architecture tab because it's a model element you're going to place into our project. Okay, so we come to architecture tab, there's a window here, we click on it. The moment we click on the window in the ribbon, we have properties of window populating the property palettes at this point. And so we will click on the instance selector and choose the right window we want to place. As usual, the windows here are only limited. There's only M-fix window. I would have loved to place 1800 by 1200 double casement window here, and then probably some triple casement also by the side. This means that I have to come to my type editor, load such families into the project. So I come to load, and in my metric, we are going for windows, and because it is arranged in alphabetical order, scroll down to windows, double casement. That's my window. I go back to load more, triple plane, then the last one, okay, so we can leave it here and then maintain the fixed window for the WCs. So you have casement double with trim, and then we have fixed, and then we have also triple plane. So we are going to make the casement window 1800 by 1002, but before that, the usual process, let's duplicate it and make it our own. So we have curb window 1800 by 1200. So the height 1200. And then the width is 1800. 1800. So instead of clicking OK, we can select the next one. So triple plane. For the triple plane, also we are going to duplicate it. Also call it curb window. And that one will be 27. So 2700 by 1200. Say OK. And then we adjust the dimension accordingly. Height is 1200, the width is 2700. Then we come to the M fixed. Okay, here to the height, because it's a high level window, we may maintain 600 as the height, and then probably the width, we take the meter for that one, but we have to duplicate and make it our own. So curb window, don't forget that process is very important. You have 1000 by 600. At this point, we can say okay, because we are not going to fix any window again. So we say okay. See, they're all now loaded into our system. So 1000 by 1002, 1 meter by 600, and then we have 27 by 1200. Okay. For the M fix, they are high level windows though. Let's check it again. The height is 600 and the width is 1000. Okay. So the high level windows is placed. It's also placed. But the glass should be outside so that when it rains, it doesn't collect around this area. So we click it and then we turn it to the opposite way using the knob here. It's very important. Okay. So we go back to window and then pick our casement 1800 by 1200. So we place this one also Let's verify. The height is 1200 and then the width is 1800. Let's apply that one. So we can also fix this one here. Okay. They are not centrally positioned, but if we want to do that, if we want to position it centrally, this is what we have to do. We pick dimension align, click here, click also the center of it, and then bring it here. Click also the middle of that. See, it is not centrally positioned. So you click on the EQ, click it, and then it is now centrally positioned. Okay, it's equally positioned, equally spaced. So you can now click it. It's asking you, you just deleted your dimensions. Say yes, unconstrain it, and then it is done. If you want to do same for this side too, you continue the same procedure. This time around, I can click my dimension at the quick access toolbar. I click here, click the center of it, and click the center of the side too. It is equally positioned, so I can ignore it. Okay, let's continue with the placement of our windows. So I come back to my virtual and then click my window. This time I go for my triple plane for my living area. So I click it. I have one here, 1, 2 here, and then let's decide to keep one here at this point. The seal is around this area, so the same way you just flip it and then it goes the other way so that it can shed the rain. We are okay with our window, but let's pick one, create similar. Just place this one to here. We're just using this as an exercise, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, so let's pick it now, 3D, and this is what we have. Okay, that is it. We've placed our windows, we've placed our doors. We will continue with the next lesson.
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.